Hi everyone, welcome you all to KPI Dashboard making part 2, making horizontal and vertical bar graphs using dual axis concept. So here we have two bar graphs which we have made using dual axis concept. So let me take you through how to make these two graphs. So we'll use the blank sheet, we will use the brand and put it in the columns. We will use the list price, the total sales, and we'll put it in the rows. So here we have null, which we don't want. We will exclude it. We will rearrange it using both the tabs. This is a descending and descending. I will use the descending one. Okay, now further I want categories, so we have product line. I'll use it in the color. So now I want the sales and I want the representation. So there's a tab for showing mark labels too. When I click on this looks like this one. So is it neat? It isn't. It doesn't look good. So I'll just uncheck it again. So how we can achieve this on top of this? So for that we'll using the dual axis concept. So what we'll do, we will again take the list price, we'll put it here, and then I'll change the second mark type to Gantt. And I will remove the product line from here, and then from here I will select it as bar. And now, so the first mark type which we had earlier, it is bar, and the second one is Gantt. Now we'll right click on it and we'll use the dual axis, and now we need to synchronize it. We have synchronizer. Now in the second tab, what I will do is take the list price again and put it under label. So here we have what we wanted on the top of it, and plus we can glance through it and we can see the list price as well as for the other categories and product line for each of the brands. Now we need to further tweak it. We will remove the headers. Remove these headers, and what I will do is I need to remove this grid lines as well. So I will go to format, I will go to lines, and I will remove these grid lines, and further I need to go to this format borders, and here in sheets I need to remove the row dividers. I need to remove this row divider as well. So here we have removed everything. Further, for matching the background with the dashboard, I would go to format again, I would go to shading, and in that shading, in the sheet, I will select the third from the left. So here we have. Now what is something is missing, so here we have the axis text. So in the lines as well, I have to remove this, so it is also gone. Now this one. Okay, so I'll right click on it, I'll format it. So what more I want, I just want this font to be white so that it is visible. You can also change the font size, the font type, everything is here. Okay, so here is what we wanted. So further you want to tweak this further. Now I want you to do it on yourself, how to change this tooltip, right? When I go through this dashboard, I can see the tooltip is 1858 number of sprocket centrals, Solex bicycles of standard category amounts to a total profit of 1 million, right? So how we will do it? So I'll just show you how I've done it, and you have to do it on yourself. Okay, so this is the brand versus sales. So if I show you the tooltip, it looks like that. I've just rearranged these fields, use these colored fields, right? And I have used some languages between them, and I've placed it like them. Just this thing. This is the simple and effective way to organize your tooltip, and it looks better, right? This is how it goes. So just do it on yourself. You can have different variations, you can do it on yourself, and it depends upon your creativity, and you will do better, I know that. And for the next graph, we had in our dashboard, which I wanted you to make, is the same. We are using the gender in the marks tab, color in the color marks tab, and then we are using the dual axis concept, and we are making the total sales as Gantt, and then we are dual accessing it, and then we are synchronizing the axis. The same thing in this, here it was horizontal, and here this is vertical. Okay, so if I can show you the same thing, I can convert the same thing to the this vertical to the horizontal as well, and this is the axis swap. So here it looks like this. Okay, I need to remove this grid lines if I am in this axis, but here I don't need to. So this is how you can do it. Okay, so if you have any problem, you can just message me on LinkedIn, you can comment it out here. I'll be happy to help. No problem. Any questions, just put it here. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.